guys, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases, and this week we do have 4 collections, 2 of them being mini kit exclusives. We are going to be doing some more mini kit exclusives because production has been so tight. We've been so busy here at Scribble Prints Co. It has been wild, definitely crazy for January and like going into February, but I am excited about it. So let's go ahead and get into this week's stuff. So first things first is we do have a wiggle this week. Last week I did put a little clip of what it looks like close up and then also in like not studio lights. I'm going to do that this week as well as put it on Instagram if you guys want to see that as well. But this week is so pretty. It is a lavender hollow. It is like something else and I am in love with it. Emily has like been talking about it since we got it in like, when did we get this in? Like November, December? I think it was November, but she has been in love with it. It looks so pretty with so many different collections. This was the one I thought would look really pretty with Galaxy Magic, but I think it would also look good with some of the collections coming out this week. Anything that has like a purpley pinkish in it, and like it's so pretty. So this is the heart format. So it has the heart bottom washi. You have your icons page. Like it is like something else. It's like a pink lavender. It definitely leans more towards lavender, I think, hollow. The only note on this one was that there is some like foil dust that wipes off on some of the pages, but that's just like normal. So if you see like a little speck, it just wipes off. So you do have the script sampler, you have the icons, you have the food doodles, you have the heart deco page, and there's also 6 of these as per usual. So you have the 7 headers on each page, you have the 14 half cut headers on each page, and then you have the 2 full boxes on each page, and you get 6 of those. And then like the past few weeks, this is on a special pricing from Wednesday at noon Eastern to Friday at noon Eastern. So a great time to pick it up. I am just in love with this foil color. Like it is so fun and pretty. Let me actually go ahead and show you guys what it looks like next to some regular hollow just for a comparison. So you guys can see the difference here. So see, like a regular hollow is more of a blue and this is more of like a purpley pink. So pretty. So if you have regular hollow, you can kind of compare them. Ugh. It is to die for, and I think it's going to look so good in so many different spreads. So definitely pick that one up. And this one, again, is called Lavender Hollow. Love it, love it, love it. It would also look really pretty if you still have November Mystery, which was like a celestial theme. It would look really good with that one, too. There's a lot of kits that'll look good with, so you're safe to say there's probably something in your collection that you need it for. So instead of doing foil releases this week, we are going to be doing a sale on all old format wiggles. So all of the clear old format wiggles will be marked down to $10, and that is to make room for all of the new wiggle formats. We do have quite a lot of room in the office, but it is very, very full. So we need to move some of those to make room for all of the new wiggles that are coming out because we have a bazillion of them. So all old format clear wiggles will be marked down to $10. Obviously, those are not unlimited stock. So whenever they sell it, they will be gone for good. So that is not why we are not doing a foil release this week, just because we want to keep we want to keep order fulfillment as easy as possible. So the next release that I have is something that you guys might have saw on my Instagram stories, and I am coming out with, this has been highly requested since I did this format character binder organization. I think in 2018 I switched to this, or 2000, yeah, I think it was early 2018 I switched to this, like having these little labels down here. And not only have I used them for that, but I also use them, and this is a video that's going to be coming up in like a week or 2. I use them in my Once More With Love sticker album to organize my extras. So I put all of the different ones up here. There's plenty of things that you can do with these, and they are 1.5 inches wide. They are similar in size to the labels for the like your kit binder if you guys have those. So you have a ton of different words here, categories. I tried to do as many as I could and be as vague as possible so that they kind of like encompassed a lot. And then I did just do some symbols here that you could maybe use for things that you didn't have one for. And then there's also some blank ones down here as well. You have 7 blank ones. So 7 blank ones, 3 symbols, and then the rest you have here. So a lot of you guys had requested whenever I initially did that back in 2018, and then I wanted to redo my sticker binder because it was looking a little janky. I am going to be doing a video on that as well. It's already done. It's just like waiting for me to upload it, but I'm going to do a video on that as well. And I was redoing all my labels, and I was like, might as well format them for you guys since they were so highly requested when I did that. Let's go into the kits for this week. All kits will be on limited stock for the first 48 hours as per usual. So let's go ahead and get into this week's kits. This week, like I said, I do have 2 mini kit exclusives. Let's go into those first. So the first one here is called Me Time. A mini kit exclusive means that it will not come to the shop in the ultimate format. I do these every once in a while, maybe if the art is super niche or if production is tight, which in this case, our production is quite tight. And when I say that, it just means that we don't like selling more than we can produce with still getting orders out at a really fast speed. So it really helps when things are mini kit exclusive, so we don't have to restock a lot of ultimates, and mini kits are just easier because they're less pages. So love this colorway. It is so pretty. So again, this is Me Time. You have the Munchkin freebie. This is a great kit for just an anytime week, and I love the colors because they are so pretty and so spring with still being very modern. So I love that kit. So that again is the mini kit, and it will only be available in a mini kit. Let me go ahead and show you guys the add-ons in case you want to add some things on. So this is the 15mm strip if you want to add that on. You have the label sampler if you want to add that on. You have the glitter headers if you want to add that on. And last but not least, you do have some fashion girls if you want to add those on. So that again is called Me Time. The next mini kit exclusive is super, super cute. And this one is called Force Party. This art just came out. And I thought it was super cute, and like I said, production is a little tight, so I was like, let's do this in a mini kit exclusive. Usually most of you guys like mini kit exclusives, so I was really excited about that. This again is called Force Party. I like the modern kind of feel to it. The artist released 2 different colorways, and I kind of mixed them together, added some like brick background, and then also added like marble in, and I think it turned out really cool. If you're an ultimate kit user, I know a lot of people sometimes will pick up 2 of these, and then also this would look really good with our marble multicolor. Gonna kind of blow your mind too. I think that, well, let me show you guys the whole kit first, and then I'll tell you guys what I think would look really good with this. And I'm trying my hardest to think of a time to use this, because like the people who like Star Wars are, well, Brian, I already have a kit I'm gonna use that's custom, not birthday related, but it'll come out eventually. His birthday's in June, so before June. So I don't want to use it for Brian's. And then Nick and Kirsten like had to be born in December, so I don't really want to use it then. So like I don't know when to use this. And yeah, I don't know. But I know there's a lot of Star Wars fans out there. So you got a party theme going here, which is super cute. I love the bright colors. And then you have the Munchkin head freebie. And then the colors in this are just super neutral. And then I went with like the marble, just because I feel like it would look really cool with colored foil. Like we have green, we have red, and we have blue in the shop. I'm pretty sure we have all of those colors available, and you can find some on the sale that I think would look so fabulous with this because of all of the neutrals, and then having, you know, colored foil on top. If you wanted to even go crazy, you could do like mixed metals of all 3 colors, and how cool would that be? Like super cool, but it also would look really cool with silver. So like you have options here. So you have the label sampler, you have the 15mm if you want to add these on, you have the glitter headers if you want to add on. There is a kids box if you want to add it on. You can totally like cut these in Frankenstein like I do with some of mine. I love this girl's hair, and I like on the blonde it really shows up really well. And then an exclusive piece for SPC, the artist did draw us a dad, or just like a dude, I guess. So if you wanted to use this for a dad's birthday, a kid's birthday, a kid and a dad, or your friend, I don't care. You got a lot of options here, so super universal. Love this kit, but I also think like it could just be like fun Star Wars times. But I think like if somebody does a mixed metal with all 3 and you want to send it to me to see, like that'd be cool, because I think it's gonna turn out so cute. And if you have any ideas of when else I could use this, let me know, and I will use it then, because it's super cute and I love the modern feel with still having the bright colors, and then pulling the bright colors in with like mixed metal foils of red, blue, and green. Oh, it'd be so pretty. All right, let's go into the 2 kits that have the ultimate and mini for the week. This one here is called Hello Spring. Just a quintessential spring kit. It does come in a mini kit. The ultimate kit is right here, and this is such a pretty collection. I think this would look really cute with this foil. Like, I really would, I back this color combo here. So let's go ahead and get into this. I think this is really pretty for March, but also kind of just has like April vibes and also May vibes. I'm here for it all. I think Emily said she might use this for her mom's birthday, so this is super cute, just really pretty. I like the green, it's not offensive. I didn't use the green in the colors just because I thought it was pretty well represented in the boxes, but I just think it's going to be such a beautiful kit, especially with that foil. I think it would be like a really great combo. You have your extra full box here, you have your little things, your headers, your deco, your extra functional items, and your bottom washi. And then there is the little Munchkin head freebie in both the mini and the ultimate kit, of course. But I just think it's so pretty. Again, you could totally mix some marble multicolor in here because you do have that marble. And let me go ahead and show you guys. Actually, all of the kits this week I think have marble in it. Yep, all 4 of them do. Y'all know that I think marble is a neutral, so it goes with everything. So you do have the 15mm strip if you want to add that on. You have the glitter headers if you want to add that on. And then last but not least, you do have the label sampler if you would like to add that on. This is such a pretty color. Okay, let me show you this one real quick. I think it could even go. It honestly, like I always say, everyone always is like, will this go with this? Will this go with this? And it's just such a hard thing to like recommend and like be like, yes, you can use this, because it's kind of like relative, like what do you like what do you think goes well together, and also just kind of going through like all of the kits that match would take forever. But like this foil would look so pretty with literally all the kits from this week. Like that would really pull out all of the purples. I'm here for it. This kit I am so excited about. Candace just told me a while ago that she's going to be doing a Hercules inspired kit, and I was all here for it. So it also does come in a mini kit, and this is called Hero. And I went a little bit more modern take on this. I did recolor some items, like this coffee cup here is from the January Mystery. I added the little emblem that was on the backpack, and then the cloud is obviously custom. I just think it's super cute because these are kind of like Meg boxes, and then these are kind of like Zeus boxes. That was kind of my like thought process. So I thought she's kind of like a planner girl. She has like her little picture and her little pen that's also custom exclusive to us. I don't remember where that might have came up also in January Mystery to start. And then this Meg necklace. Candace was so impressed with me because it did say mom before and it says Meg now. So that's from the Her Day collection. Did that one come out yet? I don't remember. Maybe it didn't. So we have a custom Mother's Day collection coming out. Did that come out yet? I don't know. But if not, there's a mom necklace, so get excited. I don't remember if that one came out yet. There's just so many collections, y'all. There's like 30 plus collections that are like printed and just haven't been released yet. So I'm trying to like, that's another thing with the mini kit exclusives, is we really need to like start blowing through some of these collections we have in back stock, or else we're never gonna get through them. Also, this Birkin bag is an exclusive piece from Her Day as well. And then I added the little lipstick mark here. The little Polaroid of Zeus is super cute. So just wanted to have like fun with it and just kind of like modernize it a little bit more, which I liked. And I plan on using this in March, but I think that this is a really pretty, you could totally use it in March. That's what I'm using it. But I think that this would also look really pretty in August, like kind of like a summer kit, or like June would be really pretty, or like this is honestly could be anytime, but I just am loving the vibes. And I tried coloring them similarly to the like characters, but I just think it looks super cute with, I just think, I don't know, I really love the balance of this, which was really fun. And I love this blue color. It is so pretty. I don't know any kits that we've done with this exact blue color. I'm trying to think, but I don't remember any. And then of course you have the marble and you have the gold sprinkle throughout. Love this kit, love this kit, love this kit, love this kit. I'm waving my hands in the air like you can see it. And then I pulled in some of the other art that I didn't use into the deco just because I think it's super cute. And look at these colors. They're so pretty. Again, I moved stuff around. The kit that I was going to be using, the kit that was in the plan with me on Wednesday, that'll be coming up on Wednesday, I actually moved from March to put this in, and then I took out the kit that I was using for this week and just like was like, it's not meant to be. Extra full box here, super cute. I love the ombre hair. You have your functional page, your half box page, your headers page, your little things page, your ombre art checklist page, and last but not least, I told Kitten and Jess that my favorite thing was actually the gold leaves. I don't know what it is about them, especially like graphic on the computer was just like kind of blew my mind, so I wanted to incorporate that. I think it's really pretty and kind of brings in the more like, I'm trying to get the word, Roman, I don't know, I can't think of the word, y'all know what I mean, like the more Greek mythology feeling, like you always see all those like gold leaves and stuff. Okay, last but not least, extras that you can add on. You have the 15mm strip. Like this is gonna look so pretty with like gold on top. I would personally pick up, if we have any more in the shop, champagne lights would look really pretty with this. Do a mixed metal of champagne lights and regular gold. But if not, just do gold and it's gonna look fantastic. But I also think that if you wanted to do a silver gold mixed metal moment, it could also work. You have a little, not little things, a label sampler if you want to add that on. There's also the glitter headers if you want to add that on with the gold sprinkled throughout. And then last but not least, you do have the option if you want to add on the fashion girl, which is just another girl that she had that was kind of like a little bit more neutral. And again, you have like an ombre hair from like a gray to a pink, and then you just have like 3 like more average, not fashion color hair. So love everything about this. Cannot wait to use it in March. I'm so hyped about that. I'm so hyped about like everything Jess does, TBH. And whenever she like shows me sneaks of things or like my customs, some of like all of them, but like some of them I die. Like I literally just like, she usually sends them at like 4 o'clock in the morning, and then I wake up to them and I'm like, yes, give me all of the customs, please. So that is everything for this week. This wiggle is like life-changing, so definitely, even if you're on the fence, pick one up because you're gonna come back and need more because it matches so many dang things. But I hope that you guys like it. I hope that you love everything. There was another kit that I thought looked really good with this, but I cannot think of it. Y'all let me know. So that's everything for this week, and I will talk to you guys next week. Oh, and everything comes out Wednesday, noon Eastern, as per always. Bye!